Hello, my name is Joy Anne Marie Marine, and I am a dedicated business virtual assistant. With 6 years of experience in technical support, customer service, and data analyst, I have honed a diverse skill set to assist businesses in streamlining their operation and achieving their goal. Throughout my career, I have developed a passion for helping clients to solve complex problems, ensuring smooth communication, and providing insightful data driven solutions. Whether it's managing technical issues, enhancing customer satisfaction, or analyzing data to improve decision making, I am committed to delivering high quality, reliable support. I thrive in remote work environment, and my goal is to make your business operation more efficient and effective, all while providing exceptional service. Let's connect, and I look forward to helping you succeed.